Hey guys, I just did an unboxing for this one. Watch it on my channel. What I'm going to be doing next though, I'm going to be kitting up a new kit. I got this on Etsy from Toonie Arts. Don't mind that. That's just my lamp and there's nothing I can do about it, okay? If you want to be able to see this, that's the lamp, okay? I got this kit from Toonie Arts, okay? Yes, you can see it, okay? Let's just roll it back a little on itself. I got this, like I said, on Etsy. I'm super excited. It's flowers. It's about to be springtime soon. I was like, let's start this one now. Okay. Here are the drills. I opened them up. They're in baggies, so that's cool. I was looking, the first thing I wanted to see was the skin tone. Now, it is a woman who is lighter skinned. And I wanted just to see if I could get I wanted to see if I could get her to be a little bit deeper. So, like, this one is 15, okay? This is not really unboxing. It's kind of like talking about the skin tone thing I'm trying to work on. So, 15 is Z. And Z is a little bit sporadic, like, on her... like a little bit of spots on, oh, can't even see that. Sorry, hold on. Okay. So Z is really sporadically used here, here, and a little bit here. I mean, a little bit. It's mostly in the flowers that are up there. But this is actually the skin tone I wish she would have. The skin tone that she actually does have are those little swirls. What the heck are those swirls? 27. This is her skin tone here. It matches somebody's. It doesn't match mine. So I'm trying to see if I can get something. So this is what I did. The other day, you guys saw that Diamond Art Club kit that I just had on the table. So that one was my birthday gift, kind of from my mom because she gave me money for my birthday. And I also found that Diamond Dotz has, you know, these loose containers. So I picked up two because I was watching Miss Coffee and she was like, blend with two colors. You know, and I'm like, that makes sense. And I can always blend with 4 colors, right? So I picked up these that I thought would work, that were a little bit more chocolatey looking. Okay. This one is shade 8427 and shade 8410. It's a little bit deeper. I think that these will work. I'm going to test them out and try them out for skin tone. Super excited. So that's basically it. This kit, I love it. I'm excited about it. I don't know if I'm going to be incorporating any other things in here. It does have some ABs. This one here, I think it's just those two. One more. Where are you? And an orange one. So I'm excited to do this kit. This is the next one I'm going to be kitting up right now. Follow me on Instagram. You've probably seen it because I'm literally starting it now. And this video won't be edited probably for a couple of days at least. I am off tomorrow though, which is Sunday. So that's amazing. Maybe I can get some of it done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like this new one that I'm going to be showing, that I'm going to be starting, and I hope this works out with these, because like I said, I just want another one that's going to be closer in line with my coloring. All right, guys, so yeah, oh, by the way, if this does work, I'll list it below. No, if this does work, you'll hear about it on Instagram. Okay, and I also bought these Get Out of Town. Yes. dork. I'm sorry. Okay. I got ABs, like a set of ABs. This is a side note. I got a set of ABs from Amazon. Okay. They do not look like this. I mean, they do. They don't look like this. These are some magical ABs. All right, guys. Bye.